Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget tube benders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Imperial Tool 370 FH tube bender. If you're looking for a high-quality product, this tube bender may be the best option. This tube bender is designed to bend 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch tubing. It features calibrated markings for making accurate left hand, right hand, and offset bends. The cushion grips are built to provide a firm, yet comfortable grip while working. This tool can bend soft copper, aluminum, thin wall steel, and other metals. It also allows you to bend over a full 180 degrees. It is constructed from a lightweight, extremely durable die-cast aluminum. The tube bender measures 17.4 inches by 5.1 inches by 3.2 inches with a weight of 2.43 pounds. This reliable product will not result in any scoring or flattening of tubing. One downside of this tube bender is its weight. It is a bit heavier and on the bulkier side compared to other tube benders. So make sure you are aware of that and comfortable using a heavier tube bender before purchasing this model. Number 2. Our second best pick is Imperial Tool 470 FH tube bender. If you're looking for a user-friendly, lightweight option, look no further than this model tube bender. This tool can be used to bend 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch tubing. It features calibrated markings for making accurate left hand, right hand, and offset bends. The patented Rotolock indexing lever allows for smooth, tight 180-degree bends with little effort and improved control. This tube bender is made from a lightweight, die-cast aluminum that includes deluxe cushioned grips for maximum comfort and stability while working. It is designed to bend soft copper, aluminum, brass, thin wall steel, and thin wall stainless steel either at home or while working professionally. The compact, lightweight design is ideal for working in tight spaces. One issue with this model tube bender is that it doesn't come with a case. Since it can be prone to rust and corrosion, make sure to store this tube bender in a toolbox or a cool, dry place to avoid any damage, rust, or corrosion. Number 3. Our third best pick is Wostore 180-degree tubing bender. Get the best bang for your buck with this tubing bender. Although it is available at a great price point, this tube bender does not lack in quality. This tube bender is designed to bend 3 sizes of tubing, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch tubing. It comes in 3 color options: black, blue, and red. The tool will perform well with a variety of metals, including copper, aluminum, brass, and thin stainless steel pipes. The ergonomic wide hook grips are equipped with non-slip, long grip handles for an optimal and extremely comfortable working experience. This tube bender features high visibility markings and a 180-degree design to avoid denting or collapsing your tubes. It is made from high-quality machined steel for added strength and durability to withstand the test of time. One issue with this tubing bender is that it is prone to damage, specifically rust and corrosion. Make sure to take proper care of this tool and store it in a cool, dry place to avoid rust or corrosion. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hilmor Compact Bender Kit. This bender kit is another high-quality product, featuring a tube bender in several essential parts. It includes a tube bender body, crossbar, reverse bending attachment, and mandrels for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 7/8 inch tubing. It is an ideal product for all-around work, whether you are using it for DIY home projects or professional use on the job site. This kit comes with a convenient toolbox to hold all of the parts and easily travel with or carry inside your vehicle if needed. It is extremely easy to use. Simply place the universal crossbar and desired color-coded mandrel on the handle, snap it into place, click the pumping lever into the ready position, and place the tubing between the bar and mandrel. One downside of this compact bender kit is its premium price point. Since it is priced at a premium, this product is not recommended unless you are a professional or will be using your tube bender regularly. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is CPS BLACKMAX BTB 300 Premium Ratcheting Tube Bender. This tube bender is another reliable kit, featuring a tube bender and several essential parts. This kit includes a full tube bending set, enclosed in a durable polymer case for easy access, storage, and transport. This ratchet crossbow-style tube bender is ideal for bending soft copper, aluminum, and more metals up to 90 degrees in both forward and reverse configurations. It is very user-friendly and easy to use, including 7 quick-change color-coded mandrels. One mandrel may work better with aluminum, while another colored mandrel is best suited for copper. This extremely versatile set can be a great option for DIY home projects as well as professionals on the job site. This reputable product comes with a manufacturer's warranty to cover any issues or manufacturing defects. One downside of this tube bender is its price point. This tube bender set is priced at a premium, so unless you are a professional or will be working on projects regularly, it may be best to consider a more budget-friendly set. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.